Ever opened ChatGPT and thought, what does all this actually do? If so, you are not alone. In this video, I will walk you through every essential feature in ChatGPT 5 step by step, from customizing your AI to organizing projects to creating images, analyzing data, and even having real-time conversations. By the end, you won't just know the features, you'll know exactly how to use them to save time, boost productivity, and get better results, even if you are new to AI. If you find this video helpful, don't forget to like, share, and subscribe to our channel nontech.ai. Now let's get started by creating your account and choosing our plans. To get started, go to chatgpt.com and sign up for your account. There are 5 pricing plans available to choose from. Here is how the plans work. First, we have the free plan. This plan has limited GPT-5 access, slower speed, lower usage caps. Plan offers limited access to file uploads, data analysis, image generation, and voice mode. Plus plan is $20 per month. This plan offers faster responses, priority access, and higher GPT-5 usage limits. Standard and advanced voice mode with voice and screen sharing. Also access to ChatGPT agent. Pro plan. This is $200 per month. This plan offers even higher usage, priority speed, and access to advanced thinking models. Unlimited access to advanced voice with higher limits for video and screen sharing. Access to OpenAI O3 Pro, which uses more compute for the best answers to the hardest questions. Next, we have the business plan, where businesses can add users for $25 per month. This plan offers unlimited GPT-5 messages with generous access to GPT-5 thinking and access to GPT-5 Pro, plus the flexibility to add credits as needed. You can connect GPT-5 to your apps for more personalized answers like Google Drive, SharePoint, GitHub, Notion, and more. Last, we have the enterprise plan. Pricing for this plan can be requested from the OpenAI sales team. This plan has everything, like the business plan with an expanded context window that supports longer inputs and larger files and enterprise level security and controls. Plan also offers 24/7 priority support and access to AI advisors for eligible customers. Important to note, GPT-5 is available on all plans, but free users get limited access, while paid users get higher limits and model options based on their plan selection. Now, let's explore the ChatGPT interface after you have signed up and are logged into your account. On the left side is a sidebar with various features. Let's walk through them. Close sidebar icon. You can use this to close or expand the sidebar. New chat. Every time you want to start with fresh topics, use this option. Let's ask ChatGPT about writing a letter to a friend you have not seen in years. When I start typing in the search bar, you can see it also gives me options below to choose from. When I enter the topic, it gives you an email copy with options to modify the email with different tones. You can update your email with the tone that meets your requirement. Search chats. Use this option to find your older chats quickly. Example, I wanted to search my Venice vacation plan. I'm typing that in the search bar and now it will show me my older chat results. Library. You can view all the images you have generated via ChatGPT here. In the past, I have used this feature to create images, and now I can look up all the images I have created here till date. Let's move on. Now we have Codex. OpenAI Codex is a cloud-based AI coding agent that autonomously performs software development tasks such as writing features, fixing bugs, running tests within isolated environments preloaded with your codebase. It allows delegating complex tasks using prompts, provides integration with GitHub and local environments. Sora. Sora is OpenAI's text to video module that turns text into images and videos. It can produce high resolution images and short clips up to 1 minute in capability and supports extending remixing existing footage. You can upload images for ChatGPT to analyze, like charts, screenshots, or even design mockups. Sora is available on paid GPT plans, plus Business and Pro. It's not available on the free tier. Plan limits may vary. Let me show you an example. I entered a prompt to create an image for cat catching a plane. See the images that Sora created for me. I further prompted it and remixed it. See all the images here. You can test this feature out. GPTs. The GPT store has thousands of custom assistant builds. You can choose what meets your requirement, or you can also create your own in minutes. Just give it instructions and you have built a personal helper for grammar, branding, lesson planning, or anything you need. Now let's look at projects. Projects are like folders for your chats. Click New Project. Give it a name, like Video Script Prompts. All the chats now will stay neatly inside this folder. You can also move older chats into this project. Project also have project-only memory, so ChatGPT remembers details only inside this folder. This makes it perfect for keeping client work or personal projects separate. You can also add files to this project, files that you will add within the project so that ChatGPT will remember them and will use them only inside the project. So there is no need to upload or re-explain anything to ChatGPT. What are the benefits for having folders? You're more organized. You don't have multiple chat histories to search through. Consistency. ChatGPT will always use the right style within the folder. Privacy. Memory is project specific. Efficiency. Attach files directly to the project to get accurate results. Now, I will show you how to write an effective prompt in ChatGPT. We are going to work on a history example. Step 1. Be clear and direct. For example, instead of saying help with history, say summarize World War II in 5 bullet points. Add context to it. Summarize World War II in 5 bullet points for a ninth grade student. You can add roles. Act as a teacher and explain World War II in simple terms. You can specify the format. Write it as a short timeline with dates. Give examples if you want style. Write in the same style as this textbook paragraph. You can further refine it if the answer is too long. Adjust it to keep it under 100 words. ChatGPT assesses the information shared so far and summarizes the content in 100 words now. So you see how each tweak makes the prompt sharper and the answer more useful. And that's how you write great prompts in ChatGPT. Prompting well is the foundation of getting great results from ChatGPT. With more practice, you can become a pro. So far, in this video, we have been typing prompts. ChatGPT also supports voice. Use whatever's easiest. To open ChatGPT's audio assistant for conversations, click on the voice mode. Select the voice you like and start talking. Let me show you how.
Hi, glad to meet you. I think we're going to do great work together. Where shall we start?
Hey, how's it going? I'm looking forward to working together. Let's figure out where to start. What's on your mind?
How is the weather today in New York City?
The weather in New York City today is looking partly cloudy with the high around 81 Fahrenheit. The evening will drop to about 65 degrees and a few clouds sticking around. So overall, pretty pleasant.
When you're done with the conversation, go ahead and close the chat. This way, you can have natural conversations with the assistant. ChatGPT gives you only a limited number of daily minutes to use this feature. That's your 101 tour of ChatGPT 5, how to get set up and start using it. It's evolving fast, so I'll keep this playlist updated. In this video, we covered the interface, projects, search, prompting basics, image generation, voice, etc. Now, I want to hear from you. Which feature are you most excited to try first? Projects, search, or voice mode? Drop your answer in the comments. I will reply to help you get started. If this tutorial helped, hit like, subscribe, and share this with a friend. Drop questions in the comments section. Thank you for watching.